ever clicked on a product link and wondered why it led you exactly where it did? What you don't know about affiliate links is costing you more than you think. Stay tuned. We're exposing the truths behind the scenes. Affiliate links are the hidden wires that connect the vast digital marketplace, fueling the rise of influencer marketing, one of today's most potent sales mechanisms. These links aren't just URLs, they're sophisticated tracking tools that reward creators for the online traffic they direct to sellers. Every click, every purchase you make through these links can turn into commissions for influencers, which begs the question, are you choosing products because you love them or because someone you trust nudged you towards a purchase? The digital marketplace is no longer a straightforward path from advertisement to purchase. It's become a web of relationships built on the trust consumers place in influencers. Trust has become the currency in an online bazaar. You're not just buying a product, you're buying a recommendation from someone whose lifestyle and opinions resonate with you. However, does that mean your purchasing decisions are genuinely your own? Or could this trust be reshaping the marketplace in ways we're only starting to understand? Now, as we unravel the threads of influencer marketing, think about the last time you made a purchase through an influencer's recommendation. Did it live up to the hype? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's discuss how influencer marketing is redefining trust and consumer behavior in the digital age. Imagine you're scrolling through your favorite fitness guru's page and notice they've posted about a protein shake that changed their life. There's a link attached leading you to a website where you can buy it for yourself. That link, seemingly simple, is actually part of an elaborate dance between influencers, companies, and consumers like you. It's called an affiliate relationship. So what exactly are affiliate relationships? In essence, when an influencer promotes a product and provides a special link to purchase it, they are using an affiliate link. This link is unique to them, and it tells the company, hey, I brought this customer here. If you buy the product through that link, the influencer earns a commission. It's a win-win scenario. The company gets a sale, the influencer gets a cut, and you get the product you're interested in. Typical affiliate programs can range from small blog partnerships with niche product lines to massive arrangements with retail giants like Amazon or Best Buy. In the case of Amazon's affiliate program, for example, an influencer might show off a gaming headset they've been using. The link they provide to that headset isn't just a convenience, it's a potential stream of income for the influencer. But you might wonder, how can you be sure that the products are genuinely noteworthy? That's the million-dollar question. The incentives can be pretty high for influencers, as some high-ticket items can offer sizable returns for a single sale. This can sometimes blur the lines between genuine recommendations and profit-driven suggestions. Affiliate relationships thrive on the trust audiences place in influencers. A valuable tip is to look for transparency. Many influencers will be upfront if a link is an affiliate link. But now that you understand how these links work, let's be vigilant consumers together. Have you ever purchased something because your favorite YouTuber recommended it? How was your experience? Drop a comment below and share your story. Together, we can become savvy digital shoppers, navigating the maze of affiliate relationships with confidence. With the surge in online marketing and e-commerce, affiliate marketing has skyrocketed. But amidst all these transactions and marketing strategies, there lies a crucial element: disclosure. Why, you may ask, is disclosure so significant in the realm of affiliate marketing? Imagine you're watching a review of the latest smartphone by a top tech guru. It's sleek, speedy, and has an array of features. You're captivated, and just before you're ready to hit that buy button, you notice the reviewer casually mentions they received the phone for free. Suddenly, questions start to emerge. Was that enthusiasm authentic, or were they being paid to sway your opinion? Here's where the law steps in. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, requires that influencers and marketers disclose any material connection to the products they endorse. But what does material connection mean? It includes everything from affiliate links, where influencers receive a commission, to free products, and even family ties to the brand. The reasons are clear and crucial: transparency and honesty. When it comes to ethical considerations, trust is the currency of successful affiliations. Audiences that feel deceived may quickly turn away, damaging the reputations of both the influencer and the brand. It's about integrity, knowing that the recommendations come from a good place and aren't merely a sales pitch. After all, trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and forever to repair. Now let's explore this a little deeper. A hefty responsibility rests on the creators to not only adhere to these legal standards, but to set a tone of ethical marketing. How does the disclosure influence your perception of their suggestions? Have you ever reflected on the trustworthiness of a recommendation after learning about these affiliations? Share your insights and let's open up this essential dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Affiliate relationships can boost your content and give you a financial edge, but how you disclose these partnerships can make or break your audience's trust. Tip number 1, clarity is king. When talking about a product, you'll want to sprinkle disclosures throughout the content. Don't hide them in the back or in the fine print. Be upfront. Next is visibility. It's more than just being clear, it's about being seen. Pair your verbal shout-outs with on-screen text, ensuring viewers who skip around still catch the disclosure. Now for honesty, it's the cornerstone of these relationships. Share personal experiences with the products you're promoting. It gives your content authenticity and helps viewers feel connected to your honest opinion. And remember, timing matters. Disclose early to respect your viewers' time so they understand the context right from the get-go. Have you ever caught a disclosure that changed how you felt about a video or a product? Drop a comment and share your experience. We're in this learning journey together. Picture this: you're browsing through your favorite cooking blog, ready to discover your next culinary adventure. Midway through the post, you notice a line that says, "This post was sponsored by Zai's Kitchen, where their pots and pans have been a game changer in my cooking routine." There it is, an effective disclosure, neatly woven into the fabric of useful content without disrupting your reading flow. Instead of a jarring interruption, you're given transparent insight into the writer's partnerships with honesty that builds trust. So where's the strategic spot for such disclosures in videos or podcasts? Imagine listening to a podcast about fitness and the host casually starts talking about their go-to protein powder. Right after their praise, they drop a smooth line. And by the way, they send me these products for free every month to test out. It's all about the natural segue, ensuring the disclosure feels like part of the conversation, not an unwanted guest. Now let's shift to the dynamic world of social media. You're scrolling through Instagram when a post grabs your attention. The influencer captures the perfect sunset shot, and there's a colorful drink in hand. Below the photo, the first line you read is, "Sipping on my favorite brand, New Zai's Juice, thankful to have partnered up with them." It's at the top, not buried underneath hashtags, becoming a shiny badge of transparency. In each of these scenarios, the where is just as critical as the what. Effective disclosures aren't just checkbox exercises, they're integrated into content in ways that maintain the narrative flow and respect the audience's intelligence. How do you feel when you encounter these transparent acknowledgments, for example, on a scale from a reassuring nod to a full stop in your tracks? Share how disclosures shape your perception of content and the influencers or brands behind it.